everyone, my name is Priyanka Deshmukh. I am having 30 years teaching experience, especially for kids. In my previous video, I told you how important the phonetic sounds are and how they help us. यहाँ पे मैंने previous video में बताया what are the sounds of letters A to M. And in this video, we are going to see what are the sounds of letters N to Z. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि phonetic sounds help the child to read the word properly or to write also. For example, यहाँ पे letter लिखा है L-E-G. If the child knows what are the phonetic sound of L-E-G, he will easily read this word. L says L, E says E, and G says G. The word will form L-E-G, leg. So without learning, he will able to read this word. One more example, T-U-B. What are the phonetic sound of T? T says T, U says A, and B says B. T-A-B, tub. Leg and tub. With the help of phonetic sound, the child will easily read the words. So today, without wasting time, I am going to tell you what are the sounds of letters N to Z. मैं आपको पहले सिर्फ साउंड सिखाऊंगी, लेकिन मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि छोटे बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए हमें कोई पोएम या फिर एक्शन सॉन्ग सिखाना जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि एक्शन सॉन्ग से उन्हें जल्दी से वो लर्न कर पाते हैं. तो हम पहले सीखेंगे ओनली साउंड्स एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ पोएम और सॉन्ग. So you can repeat after me. N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says B, W says W. यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंस बताना चाहूंगी. Bite your V's, B. Whistle your W's, W. B, W. X says Z, X says S. Y says Y, and Z says Z. ये तो है सिर्फ sounds. Now, for children, I will teach how the song will help you for the kids. We'll start with letter N. You can join with me. Nuts in the nutshell, na na na. Nuts in the nutshell, na na na. Nuts in the nutshell, na na na. Na is the sound of N. Orange octopus, oh oh oh. Orange octopus, oh oh oh. Orange octopus, oh oh oh. O is the sound of O. Parrot sitting plum, pa pa pa. Parrot sitting plum, pa pa pa. Parrot sitting plum, pa pa pa. Pa is the sound of P. Queen's waiting quietly, quack quack quack. Queen's waiting quietly, quack quack quack. Queen's waiting quietly, quack quack quack. Quack is the sound of Q. Rats are running, ra ra ra. Rats are running, ra ra ra. Rats are running, ra ra ra. Ra is the sound of R. Snakes are sliding, sa sa sa. Snakes are sliding, sa sa sa. Snakes are sliding, sa sa sa. Sa is the sound of S. Tiger on the tiptoes, ta ta ta. Tiger on the tiptoes, ta ta ta. Tiger on the tiptoes, ta ta ta. Ta is the sound of T. Up up umbrella, up umbrella, up umbrella, is the sound of U. Violet volcano, violet volcano, violet volcano, is the sound of V. Water in the well, water in the well, water in the well, is the sound of W. fox in the box. Fox in the box. Fox in the box. Is the sound of X. Yak is yawning. Yak is yawning. Yak is yawning. Is the sound of Y. Zigzag zebra, zigzag zebra, zigzag zebra, is the sound of Z. So practice all these sounds A to Z until we meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, bye bye, take care.